it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? In today's video, we are going to be sharing our experiences with shopping and services while in Puerto Morelos, Mexico. Stay tuned because later on we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to have a Mexican barbecue, and hopefully you'll stay and enjoy that with us. So come on, it's what we're doing today. In Puerto Morelos, there are 3 large grocery stores, the Chedraui at the highway as well as at the beach, and a Super Aquí at the highway. There are also endless little mom and pop shops selling everything from fruits and vegetables to cheese and meats. On our corner, there's a vegetable stand where we pick up most of our fruits and vegetables. The produce is very fresh and reasonably priced. If you don't want to spend your vacation or time shopping, or you want to avoid crowds, due to the COVID, the Chedraui has a service where you can order your groceries online and then go pick them up, or you can have a taxi driver pick them up for you. This is a great service, and we've used it a couple of times so far. They email you with a digital receipt once the order is picked and ready for pickup. Speaking of services, there are many services you can have access to at reasonable prices here. We use a laundry service, La Lavanderia, that will pick up your laundry at your accommodation in the morning, take it, wash, dry, fold it, and return it to you the same day. The price for this is 15 pesos per kilo, which in today converts to 92 cents Canadian or 74 cents US dollars. I sent a large garbage bag full, and the end cost was 98 pesos, which converts to $6 Canadian or 4.85 US dollars. We also have a housekeeping service. We have a 2-bedroom house with outdoor courtyard, kitchen, bath. She charges us 300 pesos, which is 18.44 Canadian or 14.86 US dollars to clean once a week. I recommend her. She does an excellent job. Sometimes we don't feel like going out to eat, so we order in. Many places offer delivery for free or for a minimal cost. Ordering is easy with WhatsApp. I also suggest downloading Google Translate. It can be very helpful for communicating if you don't speak the language. Water comes in large 20-liter jugs, and there are many different companies available. You send a WhatsApp message to your company, and they will bring a jug to your home. The cost for this is approximately 20 Mexican pesos, $1.25 Canadian, $1 US dollars. For garbage pickup, we haven't been here long enough to figure out the schedule, but you hear a bell ringing, and this signifies they're coming. You bring your garbage out. Some people leave it at the end of their driveway, and they take it. Protocol is to give the workers a tip when they pick up. I would think a tip would be relative to the amount of garbage you have, but I would think 20 to 50 pesos would be acceptable. I'm absolutely no expert on this, and if anyone wants to clarify, please share it in the comments below. Next in our shopping experience is Amazon. If you're new to the area and you don't really know yet where to get certain things, or if they're not available, you can always order through Amazon. This works really well. We had a bit of an issue in the beginning with our credit card in Canada rejecting our Amazon orders, but after a few phone calls to our Canadian bank, we seem to have these issues sorted out. Delivery within a few days, and it comes right to our house. You can also make a trip into Cancun or Playa del Carmen if you want to shop in person at the bigger stores like Walmart, Costco, Home Depot, Sam's Club, and the like. So now I'm going to delve into specific items for shopping for our Mexican barbecue dinner. I should mention here that we have a taxi driver that we have met last time in Puerto Morelos, and he's become a very good friend and savior to us since we moved to Puerto Morelos. Victor has helped us get our cell phone set up, suggests awesome places to eat, and is very educated and informative in helping us to understand the Mexican culture. He suggested, and of course we immediately agreed, to him shopping for and preparing a Mexican barbecue dinner for us. The menu consisted of ribeye steaks, skirt steaks, 2 kinds of sausage, roasted onions and potatoes, pico de gallo, guacamole, tomatoes, tortillas, limes. Needless to say, there was enough food to feed an army. These tortillas were still warm when we bought them. How beautiful is that, and fresh. If you're interested in me doing a video setting out specific prices for food and items in Puerto Morelos, let me know in the comments. Just a reminder, you need to bring your own bags if you're shopping anywhere. Here's some beautiful Oaxacan cheese, which is like a string cheese, and some other type of cheese, which I'm sorry, I don't remember the name. Victor got right to work cleaning up the grill and preparing for the barbecue. There were 6 of us for dinner. Rick and I, Victor and his friend and roommate, Fabian, and some really nice people we had met at Don Ernesto's bar, Richard and Mary from Philadelphia. To start off, Victor ordered in a special drink called micheladas. This is a very spicy blend which includes Tabasco sauce and comes in a large styrofoam spice-rimmed cup. You add ice and beer to this mixture and is stirred with a candy stick that's been spiced up with tamarind. Very unusual flavor and quite spicy, but it was really cool to try this. Preparing the charcoal. Once coals were ready, the meat went on the grill. Next up is preparing the guacamole and the pico de gallo. The meat is cooking beautifully. Neat way of preparing onions for the grill. How about that smile? I grilled up some mushrooms and green peppers just for a little Canadian edition. Dinner is served. Look at those beautiful onions, the grilled mushrooms and peppers. We had Fabian is happy. We had the beautiful pico de gallo, the guacamole, the ribeye steaks. The sausages he stuffed with the cheese from Oaxaca, which was beautiful. Pico de gallo, fresh. Oh, just everything was just so delicious. He did little quesadillas that were stuffed with cheese. We had some beautiful baked potatoes, some fresh tomatoes and cucumbers that we'd picked up at the local fruit market, excuse me. And of course, no Mexican meals complete without the limes. Buen provecho. were eating, Victor had put the platanos on the grill and just let them slowly warm and cook. And they stayed on there probably for a couple hours. Then he pulled them off, smashed them down, and put the crumbled cheese as well as a beautiful medium cream over top of it for dessert. It was absolutely fantastic. Not sweet at all, but a very different flavor and just beautiful to settle the stomach after dinner. We had an absolutely fantastic day enjoying this meal with our Mexican and American friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on What Are We Doing Today?